Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Frederique Constant Manufacture Classic Moonphase date. This watch beautifully marries watchmaking and astronomy. The minimalist dial showcases redesigned steel-colored hands and markers. While at 6 o'clock, a single window displays both the moonphase and date complications, highlighting the fascinating relationship between timekeeping and celestial movements. It takes 29½ of a day for the moon to complete its cycle, and the moonphase complication can track it precisely. Crafted to be worn when the moon is out, paired with more elegant attire, the watch is powered by an in-house FC 716 4Hz movement, guaranteeing a solid 72-hour power reserve. It's a derivative of the FC 715 movement, premiered back in 2015, used in the Frederique Constant's manufacture collection. And get this, its reliability is now backed by a 5-year guarantee. With 40 millimeters of diameter and just 11.8 millimeters thick, it's an entry-level luxury dress watch. There are 3 dial colors to choose from. Just keep in mind the green one, while stunning, could be the most difficult to work with classic shirts and suits, while the dark blue and white ones are considerably easier to pull off. The price of the Moonphase date on a leather strap is €4,400.